Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to talk to you about your skin. Are you doing everything you can for your skin? What about adding a light therapy system? This is part of my light therapy system from Dermal-Tech. So this is a rechargeable device that I use on my face. It comes with a blue light, a red light. It has a vibration feature and a heating feature. Now I use it because I have old acne scars on my skin, I have freckles and dark spots, and I oftentimes get breakouts. So this also comes with an EMS microcurrent that you can use to improve the blood circulation and the texture of your skin. And it can be used on all different parts of your body as well. I also found that it's easy to use because it bends and it comes with a strap. You can attach it to any part of the body that you want to treat. Because it comes with this large panel piece, I'm able to comfortably lay under it with the enclosed eye protection and do a light session, whether I want to use the red light, the blue light, or the yellow light. I can even combine all three lights together into one session. It's a skincare system, but it's not just for your face. After using this device on my skin every day for 4 weeks, I can tell you that I really see a difference in the look and feel of my skin. It's like having a spa treatment at home. I'm really happy with the way my skin is reacting to this light therapy, and that is my point of view.